You good, man?
Yeah. I'm good.
I didn't want to run out, but I still had the gun in his hand.
An officer is dispatched to a quiet suburban neighborhood for a woman screaming. When the officer arrives, he sees the woman being chased by a man with a gun. With the victim in the line of fire, the officer tackles the suspect. In his report, the officer notes hearing the distinct click-click of the suspect's trigger pull, but the gun was jammed.
Put your hands up! I'm gonna kill him! I'm gonna kill him! I'm gonna kill him! I'm gonna kill him!
I watched the JSO officer. Shit. Where's the gun? Is it under it? It's right there. Oh, it's empty. Shit. I heard her scream. I didn't realize what was going on.
I got 2 He's got 1 in custody.
Ready? You good, man?
Yeah. I'm good.
I didn't want to run out, but I still had the gun in his hand.